Our first ingredient, we are going to use turmeric. Turmeric, it has lightening agents, it heals hyperpigmentation, it soothes irritation, it has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties in it. Then we are going to use milk. Milk has lactic acid, which helps in removing dead skin cells and it stimulates new cell growth of your skin. Has brightening agents in it. It will help us clear the skin and get rid of the dead skin cells, since it is naturally rich in vitamin C and it contains antioxidants which may help us to reduce the skin damage. Honey balances the bacteria on your skin, which makes it a great product to use. So honey will help us to speed up the skin cells healing process, at the same time nourishing our skin. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, adding 2 teaspoons of milk, raw milk, or if you have yogurt you can replace it with yogurt. Then adding 1 teaspoon of honey, then adding 1 teaspoon of that's honey, then adding 1 teaspoon of lemon, then mix the ingredients very well to make a smooth clear paste. The reason why we want this paste to be vigorous, it's because it's going to act as our scrub. So make sure that you mix the ingredients very well. So we are done mixing our ingredients. Now, to cleanse your face, I will advise you to always get a cotton pad, dip it into your milk, then start applying it onto your face for 1 minute. Then after you wash it off, then you apply this facial scrub that we've just mixed. That is the technique behind a glowing skin, treating acne, treating pimples, fading acne scars, glowing scars. This scrub is best for all those skin problems. So if you're to do this, make sure that you use it every single day until you get the results that you want. I'm telling you, this will work 100%. I'm sure about it. I can also feel it. But anyway, that is the truth. Use it every single day if you want to get fast results. Quick results. Use this remedy. And as I told you earlier, that if you don't have milk, you can replace it with yogurt. It can also work. Then scrub your face for 2 minutes. Then you wait it to dry. You wash it off, and always don't forget to moisturize your face. Bye bye.